Pleasant day everybody! I hope masaya ang inyong mga araw. First quarter pa lang na taon pero napakaganda at positive ang pasok ng taon sa ating digital business. Salamat sa Panginoon din at nakapasok tayo sa ating January leaderboard kasama ng ating mga global partners and teammates. Feature natin ang raw video ng online awarding. Of course, nandyan tayo. At ang ating mga global partners, we also celebrate their success. So, eto na.
For January 2025. Of course, ang ating Europe team. Congratulations to Ate Malu from UK who is in the Philippines today. And now, vacation siya, holiday. And then, Sis Bambi from Sweden. And Ate Ann from Sweden again. And then also from Ate Ann, also from Sweden. Congratulations, everyone. And then, next is, okay, so Teacher from New Zealand. Congratulations to Ate Nurse Lady from Australia. And then also to Ate Charity and Roland of USA. So, congratulations, new partner as well.
Congratulations.
Then, Philippines, congratulations po. And then to us, and then to our Sis Monet from Australia, congratulations. And to Nurse Jonathan, Kuya Jonathan, congratulations on your action taker last month. So, claim it, you will have action takers this month.
What a joy to celebrate other people's success, not just in business but in life. Ika nga, what you give out, you receive. We rise by lifting others. Din po ay interesado, may mga mission kayo at mithiin sa buhay na gusto nyo rin maisakatuparan by having an extra income or side hustle, direct message nyo lang po ako at willing po ako to personally guide you na mga steps kung paano magkaroon ng inyong sariling digital business. Andito po ang aking website, www.annhelstrom.com. Pwede po kayo mag-register dyan sa ating free workshop or pwede nyo pong ibigay sa akin PM ang inyong mga email address para i-register ko po kayo sa ating free introductory webinar. Sige po, kita-kits po tayo. Take care always and God bless us all.